tonight. Brittney Griner finally in court. Although this is the first step in the Russian court process, it could be a long journey until Griner's return back to Arizona.
ABC 15's Christine Stanwood joins us live from the newsroom. And Christine, you've heard from experts. This case is much different than anything in the United States.
Katie, that's right. I spoke to a law professor at ASU, and she tells me she believes Griner is being used as a political pawn. She believes she's also being targeted for being black and also a lesbian celebrity. We learned several new developments from Griner's court appearance that happened today. Brittney Griner's lawyer speaking out after her first court appearance in Russia. Friday, 2 witnesses were questioned by the prosecution. One witness was a customs officer who was at the airport when Griner was arrested.
There were supposed to be 4 witnesses today. Only 2 of them showed up. The trial has now been continued until July 7th. So who knows? What we do know is that her detention has been extended for another 6 months.
The Phoenix Mercury star and Olympian arrested 4.5 months ago on charges of drug smuggling. Russian police say they found vape cartridges in the WNBA player's luggage in February containing hashish oil, which is illegal in Russia. If convicted, Griner could face up to 10 years in prison. And according to ABC News, Griner told reporters Friday she, in general, is fine. She says she doesn't speak Russian, so it's hard. The state-owned news agency called TASS quoted Griner today saying she understood the charges. She also asked if she wanted to enter a plea, and she reportedly said no and said a later date.
It's not going to be what we expect from a trial in the United States. There is no presumption of innocence.
ASU professor Valina Betty speaking with ABC 15 about Griner's situation.
I am, again, very skeptical of these charges. And I want to point out what the prosecutor claimed today, which is that allegedly Brittney Griner bought these 2 cartridges for personal consumption from an unidentified person in an unidentified location under unidentified circumstances, but not later than February 17th, 2022, when she was arrested.
Meanwhile, the deputy chief of mission at U.S. Embassy in Moscow also speaking out.
The U.S. Embassy, the American government, cares very deeply about this case and about Ms. Griner's welfare, as do millions of Americans.
Sherelle Griner, Brittney's wife, has been vocal about her arrest.
What I'm getting is that the people that need to know are aware, but they haven't executed. And so, I need them to execute this, because at this point, we're in 130 days of my wife. She's in a country where she don't even know the language.
Right.
So she's inhumane on all type of levels. Like, she ain't even speaking.
And the U.S. government has said that Griner's detainment is unlawful, and they are actively working to bring her home. Those diplomatic relations look like actions from the president, the State Department, and Hostage Department. Griner is now being negotiated through the Hostage Department, but of course, we're going to continue to keep a close eye on Griner's case. For now, reporting in the newsroom, Christine Stanwood, ABC 15, Arizona.
Christine, thank you. And one of Brittney Griner's former coaches is taking to social media to keep BG top of mind. Coach Dawn Staley wears a pin every day, snaps a photo every day, and posts it. It's her way of taking action in a situation where she wants to see more done.